Hello everyone, welcome back to the Haripriya's lectures. In this lecture, we will discussing about the Flutter basics. Okay, we will complete on the designing side. What is mean by a last series? We will discuss with the what is the cross platform application, what are the features over there, what are the things we will learn through the cross platform applications, all those stuffs. In this series, we will through this series we will discussing about the what is the Flutter, what are the languages we will be using on the Flutter, and what are the real-time example we will working on the Flutter based applications. Okay, we'll go for the video. Okay. In this Flutter means this is created by the Google. Google will be a framework to use in a developing application through the Android, iOS, and web and desktop, all those stuffs. This is a what are the language we will using on the Flutter means this is a Dart. Dart is the most comfortable and interactive language through the Flutter. Dart languages will be using on the Gmail. This is the best application form will be working on the Dart. And next one is the what is the Flutter application we will working on these real-time example. This first one is this is open source. Open source means we have to working anywhere, anyone can use this particular any given purpose. And next one is that we will working in the fast development circles and come upon the hot reload and hot restart is the best options will be incorporated by the Flutter side. That is the most important. 36 and we will first full completions we will working on the Flutter side. Okay, the Flutter is a hot reloader and hot restart is the most favorite options in the Flutter. This is the if I am working on the Flutter means it will be automatically it will be react in my output. That is called the hot reloader and hot restarts, all those stuffs. And next, a super protective. This is a due to the stateful and stateless widgets we have to working on the fast interaction coding by the style side. Okay, next one is that we have to working on the easy to learn to coding to sharing through the Flutter side. We have to using the OOPS concept plus we have to using on the UI designing can easily to learn on the Flutter. First we know what are the designing we want to customer will be working on there, and next we will working on the OOPS concept through the Dart we will working on there. Okay, and next one is the widgets concept. Widgets libraries we will working on the based on the Flutter application. This is used to build each and every apps and each and every things where it will be placed through in our mobile phone is ready to use on the widgets. That is called the widgets over there, such as HTTP, get, chat, plus and doodle switch. These are the example of the widgets libraries. And next one is the community support is the Flutter compared to the other frameworks like the React. Like React, it will be grow very fast through the other frameworks. Okay, it will be easy to community suppose will be having in our Google site. And next one here I will giving the what are the special application in running through in our Flutter in current scenarios. The first one is the Dream 11. Almost most of things we will favorite on the Dreams 11 we will play on there. And next one is the eBuy. It will be e-commerce platform over there, and Stenta gaming platforms is also over there. And next one is the Google Pay is also under the Dart programming languages. Okay, what are the features we are having on the Flutter means this is the cross-platform app development, the easy to access and native features, and minimal coding we will working over there. At least we will know the basics of the C and C++ and C Sharp and Java, all those stuffs. And minimal coding we will prefer to do growing and developing in a Dart side. And next one a fast development, and next one a hot reloaded and hot restart. That is the most important we will discuss in the last time. This is the Flutter widgets. What are the categories we will having on the Flutter widgets as? And the first one, the which elements Flutter app widgets is a screen completely depends upon the choice and sequence through the apps and code on the app 3 of the widgets. And 14 categories we will segregate in our widget side. The first one is the accessibility. Accessibility means it's a Flutter app easy to access to interact with the people. And next one is the animation and motion is through the animation to other widgets. And third one is the asset image and icons. We will place on the icons what are the images we want to display in my mobile phone. And synchronizers is the functionality mean by the Flutter applications. And what are the basics we want is we have to develop in the absolutely necessary for the development side in the Flutter application through the widgets. And Catenona is the nothing but it's the iOS designed widgets, so it will be Android side and also be a iOS side also. And next one is the what are the widgets inbuilt through the these are the 14 categories over there. The first one, the input, interaction models and layouts and material components and painting effects and scrolling, styling, text. These are the main 14 widgets over in the Flutter side. Okay, here I'll giving the short summaries of your what are the widgets, what are the why we using on the widgets in the side, what are the real time scenarios over there, and next what is the widgets, what is the widgets, and what are the categories over on the widgets. We will see on this video, we'll see on the next video to the continue of the Flutter. Thank you.